Hi guys! Back to one of my favorite restaurants in Pampanga, Fabrica, for my three mothers to see. Maraming nagbago, nag-improve at saka madaming development. While waiting, they gave us kamote chips to nibble on para daw hindi kami gutumin agad. We had no reservations but we were willing to wait. We were number 5 in the waiting list pero hindi naman matagal. Nung natawag kami, naku, biglang nawala ang sakit ng paa ni Tita Mariette at iniwan ako. Without support, naglakad siya hanggang doon sa assigned table namin. Smile, mother!
Oh, yan ay kanyaman da.
Finally, dumating yung mga drinks. At syempre, dahil senior citizen, in-order namin yung mga safe lang kainin namin na hindi kami maninibago. Maganda yung place. Very relaxing. Not to mention na masarap pa rin naman yung food. Nag-enjoy pa rin sila kahit na sabi ko nga, ang in-order nyo yung lagi nating kinakain. Pero masarap pa rin. Ayan, busog na kami at energized na ang mga lolas.